Part 3, Captions, Publish, and Embed. And here we are at the final few steps to make your video live in YouTube and in your Canvas course. Here we will ensure accessibility by creating closed captions, edit our video settings, and then embed your YouTube video for your Canvas classes. Step 1. Add closed captions, edit settings if necessary, and publish your YouTube video. Okay, so with your video uploaded to YouTube, your screen should look something like this. Click out of it, and you are taken to YouTube Studio. This is where you control every aspect of your content. On the left-hand side, there is a Subtitles section. Go ahead and click that. Then you are brought to a subtitle page here. Now here's the thing. YouTube does create automatic closed captions. However, the accuracy is mixed, and some words might be miscaptioned. This can not only be embarrassing for you as the speaker, but also makes your video confusing and inaccessible to students who need closed captions. There are a couple ways to add accurate captions, but here's my preferred method. Under Languages, click down here, and then click this blue Add icon. Then there are three options. Select Transcribe and Auto Sync. Now remember that script we created earlier in part 1? Right here. Now we simply copy and paste into this text box and click Set Timings. YouTube will then take a few minutes to sync the captions with your voice. Once it's done, I always like to check to make sure the timing looks good. This calls back to the value of writing a script for your videos, doesn't it? Even if you go off script for a moment, you can easily type in these text boxes on the left and just readjust the timings as necessary. Whatever you do, make sure you save changes before you leave. Step 2. Embed your YouTube video into a Canvas page. Once your video is published in YouTube, there are a couple ways to post it in Canvas. For example, in a Canvas page text box, there is a YouTube icon. However, I find this quite cumbersome as you need to search around for your video. Rather, go back to your YouTube window in your main studio for your channel. Click on Videos, select the one you just made, and click on it to view on YouTube. Okay, click Share at the bottom, and there are multiple options here, but this garbled up web link is the simplest one. Simply copy this URL and paste into your Canvas page, hit Enter, and then save. And see what you have as a result. A second option that I prefer for aesthetic reasons is using the embed code. Back to YouTube, click Share again. See this option for embed? Click it. Then select this even more garbled up internet code, copy it, then change over to Canvas. Now notice this icon in the Canvas text box that says Insert Embed Media. Click on it, then select this second tab for Embed. Now you paste that garbled internet code into this box, click OK, and voila! Now your YouTube video is floating with a nice preview in the Canvas page. See the difference? URL, embed code. Now, either one of these methods can be used in Canvas pages, announcements, or assignments. Now look at you, you YouTube celebrity. Alright, in all seriousness, thank you for taking the time to personalize your online course with a YouTube video of yourself. The good thing about YouTube is that it can be watched almost anywhere, a computer, a tablet, a phone. And remember, there are many ways to go about this process. What you've just seen is my method. I encourage you to learn from other instructors, make mistakes, and create a technique that is truly your own. Now, here's the fun part. When you have completed my tutorial series, your work is certainly deserving of Flex credit. All you need to do is click Submit Assignment at the top right of this video and copy and paste the web link to your YouTube video as proof of completion. Good work, and thank you for your time.